Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the political drama unfolding in Zimbabwe. Imagine a chessboard where each piece carries the weight of a nation. At the center, we have President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who's maneuvering to extend his reign until 2030. But it's not that straightforward. Let's break it down. First off, let's get the facts straight. ZANU-PF, Mnangagwa's party, has hatched an intricate plan to de-harmonize elections. What does that mean? It means separating parliamentary and presidential elections. Picture this, parliamentary elections in 2028 and presidential elections in 2030. This strategy is designed to sidestep the hurdles of amending the constitution for a third term, which, let's face it, is a legal and political minefield. However, Mnangagwa has publicly denied any ambitions for a third term. He insists, "I am going for my second term, this is my last term." But actions speak louder than words, right? The real game is behind the scenes, where strategic moves are being made to keep him in power. Enter Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, a key player in this high-stakes game. Chiwenga, who was integral in the 2017 coup that brought Mnangagwa to power, is not just sitting on the sidelines. He's vying for influence and control, and his military connections make him a formidable opponent. The internal dynamics between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga are nothing short of a political soap opera. Now, let's not forget the role of the military. It's not just a backdrop in this political theater, it's a crucial player. Mnangagwa initially sought to marginalize Chiwenga by appointing other deputies, but Chiwenga's grip remains strong. The military's loyalties are a crucial factor in this unfolding drama. So what's the endgame here? If Mnangagwa's plan to de-harmonize elections succeeds, he could potentially secure his leadership until 2030, but there's resistance. Constitutional safeguards and internal opposition could thwart his plans, setting the stage for a potential leadership transition in 2028. The question now is, will Mnangagwa's strategic maneuvering pay off, or will Chiwenga and other factions disrupt his plans? Zimbabwe's political landscape is as volatile as ever, and the coming years will be pivotal. In summary, the political chess game in Zimbabwe is intense, with Mnangagwa making bold moves to extend his stay in power, facing resistance from Chiwenga and the military. The deharmonization of elections is a strategic attempt to avoid the complications of a third term, but it remains to be seen if this plan will succeed. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this intriguing saga. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on political dramas from around the world. Thanks for watching.